Alright, to begin, you're going to need a piece of paper, a pencil, and something to color with. Here I'm using a gouache set. You can use crayons, colored pencils, watercolors, whatever you like. Alright, so you will notice that my drawing has been taped off. You don't have to do this step, I just chose to do this step. So you're going to start with drawing an image. Here I have chosen to draw an ice cream cone. Once your image is drawn, you're going to separate it with lines. Once you have all your lines drawn, you can begin coloring. So we're trying to create the illusion of a mosaic. A mosaic is when you make a picture out of a bunch of pieces, usually things like tile or glass or even little pieces of paper. You put all the pieces together and they form an image. Well, today we're not really doing that necessarily, but we're making it look as if this ice cream cone has been made up of several different pieces. I try to make sure that I don't put any color that is the same color next to itself. You'll notice too that I have a dark version and a light version of each color. This helps give me a little bit more variety. Alright, so these are my results that I got. Remember, try to come up with your own image. Don't just copy Miss Mullins. Think of a different object to draw. Maybe not an ice cream, but maybe you really like donuts, or a cupcake, or even a plant. It doesn't matter. Whatever you would like to draw, draw it. Just try and use your own creativity. I hope you enjoyed making this mosaic with me, and I'll see you next time.